Okay.
Yeah,
okay,
I started
well.
recording. So right now, let me share my screen. And we'll find the winners of the contest. Then we're going to answer some questions that we get as part of our AMA. But yeah, let's start from the contest. Wait, we're going to be picking 50 winners out of how much we have? 400 participants using random org. I believe this is fair way to be the winners, right? Wait.
By the way, is there a chat here?
Yeah, people, if someone want to ask questions, you can post them in the chat, the MA chat. And by the way, want to announce something in Russian, so people, если вы ожидаете ответы на вопросы на русском языке, хотел бы сказать, что они будут в самом конце, потому что основная часть АМы все-таки на английском, и оглашение победителей конкурса тоже на английском. Поэтому вы можете дождаться записи, либо уже, дождите окончания, собственно, ближе к концу это будет. Okay, so let me share the screen, guys. Share screen.
Yeah, one moment for English speakers out there. Basically, we'll announce, find and announce the winners first, then probably get you some news of what's happening. And it will be an AMA later, and like in the last part of an AMA, there will be a Russian part of an AMA. So yeah, you can watch for that, or you can, I don't know, So you're free to stay. Your mic is muted.
Let me check. Is it better now? Okay, great. So again, let me share my screen. Okay. Here it is. Are you seeing my screen?
Yeah, we can see the Telegram also. This chat.
And what now?
Google Docs, I believe it is. Okay, yeah. It's Google Docs.
Yes,
yeah, and
sure. Random. So here's the list of all the addresses that we get in the contest section in our chat. Basically 405. If you go to here, and let's just start. Okay, the first winner is 50. We're going to mark them right now. Okay, 50. We're going to mark them right now and then send the winners their prize. 208. It's 2. It will take some time, guys.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. But we want it to be live.
Yeah, we just want to be live, so there won't be people who are saying that we're, toast this. Anyway, 219. 219 is 4. 193. Wait, 193. Three.
By the way, we've decided that if someone by any chance wins twice or more, I think it would be fair to reroll. So it's only one win per per list. 1 win per user. Yeah, I should say.
7, 8.
You know what? I just thought
Well,
you will copy this list with winners,
yeah.
right? Yeah. So not only winners, but everyone else. So everyone else could check this like the same list or something.
Sure, of course. We'll post this.
Okay. Sure. Just
So
thought that's a good idea. Yeah.
13. I don't really want to mess this up, so I just
Sure.
hope
Yeah. Take your time. Sure.
13, 300, 14, 205, 50, 48, 16.
While you do that, I see people, like some people have problems connecting to Telegram. So maybe it's a good idea to, switch to any other platform for Russian part of the AMA, or maybe not. Maybe it's a bad idea and we should just stay here. And you have the recordings, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
43.
Did you reconnect at some point?
Yeah. Because I couldn't start the.
Sure. But did you restart the recording?
Okay, 19. Okay, I have it here. Okay. But actually, I asked for other people actually to make recording too. So.
Oh, okay. Makes sense.
Last time I started recording by myself, it somehow failed. I don't know. I know how.
Oh yeah. I remember.
So wait, 2, 5, 6 is 20. It was 22, 23.
I can, talk some news while you do that. If it's not, if it's not bothering you.
Yeah, let's try to entertain people because it looks
Sure.
kind of boring actually to watch. So yeah.
Sure. Yeah. So I don't know. Let's start with Korean Blockchain Week. It's called in Seoul, which is I know it's a new experience. At least it's a new experience for me. Yeah, and it's a big event with a lot of, and I mean a lot of events, side events, main events, which is pretty different from Singapore. I believe from Dubai, which is basically one place where everyone's gathering, and it's easier to make connections like in Singapore or Dubai, for example. Korean Blockchain Week was somewhat, exhausting and tiring, but we went there mainly for new connections, new people, new companies. Basically, same with Singapore. We went there for new connections, for new opportunities, and we had some, gasped some. Same with Korea Blockchain Week, I believe, but it's kind of early to talk about because, it takes time to develop relationships, to, I don't know, like consider like how you can integrate with each other, like what it is and how it's going to be done. So yeah, but we're looking forward to that. Pretty excited. Yeah, new connections, lots of new people, and the whole conference itself is, so turn out to be, very hard traffic in Seoul. And I mean, it's hard to get from one place to another, and the conference is scattered all over the city. So you have to, like get to one place. There's like a half an hour of, talks and half an hour of just communication. Then you get to another part of the city, and it's kind of tiresome. And I believe that alone is enough reason. In the start of this week, in the start of this conference, there were a lot more people, and people were a lot more excited. And going to the end, it's gradually like less people, less cool events. I don't want to fire shots at events. Events are cool, but yeah, you can imagine like less people, less maybe excitement because people are tired from traffic, from just tired of this. Many of us work, I don't know, from one place, from office, from home, and it's tiring to have a week, on your legs, getting here and there. But yeah, it's cool. We hope, for some great connections. Hope some great integrations. Yeah, but I probably couldn't say like the company names because like we didn't even sign. How do you want to call this? NDA. No, I mean, yeah, NDA is one thing, and then there is agreement of proposal of agreement, which is in Russian соглашение о намерениях.
Yeah.
Do you know what's the best way to translate it?
No.
Okay. Let's just agreement of proposal, which is may sound weird, but yeah. So yeah, we're waiting on those. Excited about what comes next. Any more conferences to go, but I would prefer it to be in one place where all the people are together. When by the end of the second day or like third day, everyone know each other. Everyone have time to know everyone. So yeah, I would say I prefer Singaporean variant over the Korean one. Yeah, sure. So yeah, if you like to visit sometime, some of these places, yeah, don't hesitate to say hello to us. You can have a chat or something. Yeah.
I actually met a lot of people who know CLORE, and we had a great conversation about the company.
Do you have? I'm sorry. Do you have this idea that like it's almost the same kind of people? Because for me, it's like it's always new people. Like you'd go to Singapore, there's like some people go to Dubai, like another people you'd go to Korea, and it's like kind of different people. Yeah, maybe the companies are the same, but the people are different. You know what I'm talking about?
The companies are basically, most of the companies are the same. But if you're not like attending like the big stages, the big main events, I don't know. I think. Wait, Jesus Christ, no, I can't talk. Sorry, I just.
Okay, sure. Yeah, let's just get things done.
Yeah, we have only 3 more people here. 31, and we can move to the main part. 31, 93, and the last but not least, 267. 7. Okay, it's 50. Okay, and let's check. Yeah, it says 49. Did I miss one number? Guys, did I? Okay, after rewatching
Okay.
it, just one more, just in case I really forget or miss one
Mhm.
some, but I will 3, 4, 8. 4, 8. Okay, he already won, so yeah. Sorry, man.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay, I will mark it 51 just in case. Okay.
Sure.
But
Sure.
we're done here. I think we're done here. What? Stop sharing.
But
I
you
just
did. But you did stuff. Okay. Okay.
no. I mean, we
Anyway.
already finished with basically funding all the people. So
Sure. Sure. I mean, yeah. Anyone interested that this is basically the same list? If we post the same list as in video, can just check video then.
yeah,
And
yeah.
yeah, sure. Yeah. That's the only thing I'm interested in. Okay. So, will you share this Google Doc, or will you post like? How do you want to do this?
Let me just share. I think so everyone could. Winners.
Mhm.
Okay. I just posted on the contest part of the
Okay.
chat.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
yeah, I think
Mhm.
so everyone could
Mhm.
basically verify.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, I actually missed someone. So we have 50 people actually who won. Each of one,
Okay.
each of those people actually won $100. So guys, yeah,
Nice.
we will send your prices within I think 24 hours after the stream. So yeah, you can basically get back and check all
Yeah.
the addresses.
It takes some time to
Yeah,
send
it takes
basically.
time. We actually get rid of all of the duplicates, so don't worry about those people. We actually, yeah, if someone actually posts their addresses several times, so they won't get their reward. So don't worry about this. Okay, I think so. Basically, you already discussed the current blockchain week. Yeah, actually, just want to say a few words. I agree with
Sure.
that. That it was actually exhausting. It was a full week. I mean, of nonstop working, of nonstop communication, networking with new companies, new people. Every day you'll see like at least 50 new contacts, 50 new people around the Seoul. You have to always hop up on a cab and just went to another
Yeah. A
event
lot
from
of roads.
another event, and it just I mean I know at least 5 6 like, and you have to pick the right event, because like during the day there's like I don't know 20 30 events all around the Seoul. So
Yeah. During the night also. By the way. Yeah.
yeah,
It's
of
like
course.
you should. Yeah. Yeah. And people during the night are more talkative. So it's not like you can just skip those. You will need to go there and make new connections and stuff and so on. Yeah. Um,
So yeah, that's basically our news from the blockchain current blockchain week. You'll see a lot of new um, posts about the partnership we get from this conference. We'll get you updated.
yeah.
And
As soon as we're ready to announce.
yeah, yeah. So next, I think we could move on to some questions that we get, right? So we
Yeah.
have,
Let me just for a moment. Let me clarify because we also want to share. Like the news about the project, like what we're currently working on, what we expect to work on, But I believe everything, all these questions are been asked already. So let's just move on to the questions, and we can, yeah,
like
you'll know everything. Sure.
yeah, so like most of the questions actually, like for example, a lot of people in my DMs in just in MA section asked about the proof of stake. How's it going? Is there any news about it? And as of right now, I just want to say that please follow the news. Follow the news, and also want to share two main things that we we'll be implementing in our new tokenomics, as we promised before. First of all, it's burning 300 million CLORE coins. We promised
from the total supply.
Yeah, from the total supply. So like, as we promised, there's no change on here. So like, yeah, don't worry about this. It's still gonna be. And the second thing I want to announce right now, I don't think we actually.
Yeah, one moment. When we talk burn of 300 millions, just to clarify for everyone, we mean like shrinking the supply total.
Yeah.
Sure.
So basically,
I'm sorry.
It will increase the value of each other coin that aren't being burned. And the second thing about that, I just think we actually talked about this previously, but we came to a conclusion that 50% of the reward that people are actually getting right now, that actually goes to the miners, we will burn them. So this is two main things I want to share with you regarding this. So stay tuned, and you'll see any post about the new tokenomics. And I think we can't say anything more here as of right now. But two main things, So the total supply will be lower, and the new block will be also half of the size of the as before we change it. So two main reasons to actually increase the value.
Yeah, be excited about this.
Yeah. Next up, I think the roadmap. It's actually one of the main questions on the.
Yeah, we get a lot of questions about the roadmap, and I'd say that's pretty fair to ask about the roadmap.
Yeah, I think you can maybe hop on the roadmap here.
Sure. So as of right now, we're focusing on two things. One of which is the partnership we're very excited about, but we can't announce just yet. We are, I won't say any like estimates, but we are very closer than ever. And we're very excited about this partnership. It's a big company, which we assume will give us, will give CLORE a lot more, what do you want to call this? Observability? Is this the word?
Observability.
Yeah.
More people. Actually, it's great for marketing. It's great for the marketplace itself. This is a really big step.
Yeah.
And
so we expect a lot of things out of it, and we're pretty excited, but we're just, we can't announce it just yet. So yeah, just stay tuned. We're,
finish line. I have to mention here that we're on the finish line, and
sure, but no timelines. No timelines. We promised no timelines.
Yeah, mentioned.
Yeah. So that's one thing. We're actually basically done working on it, and we're just waiting for launch. And pretty excited about it. I like it very much. And the other thing is this tokenomics change we just talked about. So this we decided this is our main focus, like the next big thing we're working on, which we're which we were working for quite some time. So yeah, and we just want to get it done. Again, I can't share no timelines, unfortunately, and I understand you maybe here want us to say the date, to actually tell you the date, but yeah, unfortunately I can do it now because all this tokenomics change, they require a lot of work, not just from the development side. So it's not just the code that should be written and checked. There's also security checks. There is also security audits from different companies. It's good to have more than one company doing audits, and it's a long process which involves also, I'd say, it's pretty fair to say it involves also exchanges. So it should be done right. Yeah, it should be done right. And so we want to, that's our main thing. That's our main goal. We wanted to ship it as fast as possible, but as right as possible also, because the price of an error is too high here. Basically, we can't just, okay, let's just roll back. Like, okay, it doesn't work. Let's just roll back, like fix some bugs and stuff. No, we cannot do this. It's, it's one big step that should be, done like in one transaction, and they call this, so you cannot roll back it. You just should do this. And we are committed to doing this right, doing this as fast as we can, but basically as right as we can. So yeah, stay tuned. We are, we're grateful for you to wait on us, to wait on our work. We are excited to do this. We think that will be the biggest change CLORE experienced. 3 months ago, like after Singapore, there was the biggest change we had ever done, which is the redo of reward system. But this will be like 10 times big, 100 times bigger. Yeah, it's hard to imagine. So yeah, stay tuned. Good things coming for CLORE. Good things coming for us, for every one of us. Yeah. So yeah, let's do this.
Yeah. Okay. So next question.
I didn't actually answer the question about. I'm sorry. I was focused on what we're doing now, but the question was about the roadmap, because this is the biggest change we are to implement yet. We will. What's the best word for this? We will justify roadmap, do the roadmap, clean the roadmap, or how is this called? The roadmap will be in good condition after we finish all we are focused on right now. Yeah. After that, we will clean the roadmap, review everything that's coming, maybe probably rearrange some things. So that's a good question. Thank you for reminding us. Thank you for asking us. The roadmap will be. We'll be done.
I just want to add, guys, in our roadmap, it may actually looks outdated from time to time, because like we had the milestones, we have the ideas that we have things to do in the company, but sometimes something happens. For example, we haven't, like 2 months ago, we haven't even thought about creating the bare metal, or like 3 months ago, but we saw the opportunity, we saw the demand, we saw a lot of actually companies that can give us a great powerful hardware at a great cost, and we decided to fast forward this particular feature and postpone some others. So even if you haven't saw some of the feature from the roadmap actually releases in your real life at this pace that we actually promised, but you have to keep in mind that some other stuff, for example, bare metal, it's a really, really big feature, big product. And we put a lot of into it, and and we deliver it pretty fast, actually. This is it.
Saw an opportunity which we decided to grasp, and sometimes that happens because not every day you have different opportunities.
Yeah. Okay. Next question. What makes this project unique compared to other blockchain projects in the market? So, I think great question. I think what actually makes this project unique is that it's actually the biggest GPU marketplace. It's working. We actually delivered a lot of features really ahead of our competitors in the most cases, and we have proof of holding system. We're rewarding people with our coin for being hosted at our marketplace. We have a lot of small features. We have a lot of big features like VPN, bare metal, and yeah.
You can rent out. Yeah, you can rent out coins. You can rent out gear. So I would say the main feature of this marketplace is that it has a user base. that's alive and doing well and getting better day by day. Sure. Yeah.
Okay. How can the community get involved and support a project's growth? I think the main thing that people can do is to actually use our platform, actually rent rigs, actually, yeah.
Yeah, let me do this question. Yeah, sure.
If you have something to add, of course you can. Yeah, just say.
Sure.
Okay.
So yeah, first of all, which would be good enough already. Please follow us everywhere, like on social media, likes, retweets. That is very important. Many people say that we are good on the technical side, and sometimes lack on maybe knowledge of CLORE. So yeah, that is our knowledge. That is knowledge of CLORE. So just spread the word. Tell your friends about CLORE. Tell your people who you think could be interested about CLORE. That's that's good enough already. So please follow us, like, share, subscribe, retweet, whatsoever. Then what also be pretty good. Just use the marketplace. Just try it. You can rent you can rent gear. You can rent out gear. You can rent out coins. You can stake coins. You can I don't know. It's like just please just try it. When you try it, you can share your feedback. Just say what's good, what's bad. Here we're we're sometimes slow on delivering features, but we will deliver. Yeah. So yeah, just do that. And if you're if you're experienced user, you can answer questions in the chat. You can maybe you can make some guides. Maybe you can I don't know. If you're experienced developer, maybe you can do something like integrate CLORE into your project, or just do something of our API, or just the system, just our system. So yeah, basically, if you don't know what to do, just share, like, subscribe, retweet. Yeah, just spread the word. If you are interested in actually, because we just talked that one of our main features is that it is a live project with a user base. So yeah, just try this. Just be one of our users. We'll love to see you. Yeah. And if you can help community somehow by creating guides. I don't know, maybe you like to make videos. Yeah, just make a video about us. We'll love to see that. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe you are Docker geek and you can prepare something cool like in your container. We can use your container as a template. Well, if it's assuming it's secure and not malicious, and we know the source code from which it was built. Sure, maybe it is. Great question. Thank you everyone for your support. Yeah, it means a lot for us.
Can you move to the next question, because I think something wrong with my Telegram. I just logged out. Give me a second. Sorry.
Sure. Let me try to see what's next. What's next? Have you logged in? Back?
I'm trying. I don't even know how I'm still doing that.
Okay, sure. Okay, I have a list. Yeah, we're great. How can the community get involved and support? I believe we just answered that. Are there any upcoming features or updates that users should be excited about? Yes, there are upcoming features and updates users should be excited about. The first one being this unannounced partnership. We are very excited, so you should be also. And the next one, big thing, is the tokenomic change, which I believe will help the project, help the coin. So we're focused on that. Please be excited with us.
Okay, I think I find a way to actually log in back.
Okay. what's the vision for the next 2 or 3 years? Do you aim to become the AWS of Web3? You won't believe that, but we actually, had this strategic session, and we basically were just saying that in a long term we would love to become the AWS of Web3. That's our farthest, the future that is coming. Basically, yeah, it's kind of we're kind of far from that still, but we are thinking about it, and we think that may be what we will become in some time.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm actually back here with Telegram. It stopped lagging.
Sure.
The filters are really helpful. Will there be a search bar soon to quick find specific CPU or GPU models? Great idea. Yeah. I think it will be. Yeah, we'll definitely should add something like that. But actually, I mean, in terms of the GPU, we don't have that much. I think it's like 40 or 50 GPUs. You can just scroll them down for now. But yeah, we'll add the search bar.
Yeah, just a good idea. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, good idea. I'm curious when the rental renew feature launches. Will it include the option to auto renew, or will user need to extend manually each time? Actually, yeah, I saw this question quite a few times.
Yeah, that's I would say that's demanding feature. So auto renew is probably the way. Although it's it depends on what you mean by auto renew. So it will probably be like a checkbox, like I want to auto renew this when it's when it ends, and you can probably make a template out of it. So yeah, I believe something like that. So does it count as auto renew, or does it count as manually you decide? But yeah, like I see it this way. Maybe you have like something interesting, maybe you can imagine something interesting. So please share your thoughts. Yeah, I think that's just a great feature. Should be added.
Okay, what's next? By the way, just want to clarify some things. We saw a lot of actually asked question in Russia. Some people asked question in English. So we just decided to answer to people that asked in English, and then if you asked in Russian, I think it's fair. So what else do we have here? Again,
yeah, I believe there are a lot of
a lot of questions actually. I'm just there's not much makes sense that much, or they are just a question that just repeated itself. A lot of proof of stake mentions I can see here,
or plans, like plans of the future.
Yeah. How to okay?
Yes, search bar to quickly find. Yeah, sure. We were just answering that.
Can you share plans for improving security and stability feature in future CLORE updates to attract enterprise users? Basically, we already have it in bare metal. So,
yeah, the bare metal itself is a step towards like big renters. So although we just started it and exploring like how can we improve that? How can we what could be done out of that, basically. But yeah, bare metal is one big step towards this kind of renters. If we're talking about user machines, it could be done, and we have some thought of this, but yeah, basically it's basically new. Like we have reliability, but maybe should extend on that. Maybe we can prove that you have more than one internet connection. Maybe we can prove that you have more than one like power sources. Like more than one power sources. Sounds weird, but you probably understand what I'm talking about. Yeah, and in that way, we can count on you that you will be the redirect point when something goes wrong. But then, it's not that easy to implement. It's not that, it's... Basically, it's not something... Well, you asked about like filters. We can do filters like, when we need space from, our biggest changes like in tokenomics or stuff. But we cannot do this feature, like in between. And for now we want to focus on this, on what we've been talking about, the tokenomics change. So we were thinking about this, but we've choose a different approach with bare metal to see like what's the demand, to see like how it is, like what can be done or how we can expand it. Maybe we can redirect to bare metal or something. So that's a great question, but it's not something that could be done just in a snap of fingers.
Yeah. As far as I can see, actually, most of the questions in English are basically done. If you see any question that you want to actually, answer, feel free. But I think we've mostly done with them. So we can switch to the questions that are being asked in Russian, I believe. What do you think?
Sure. Let me just...
Okay.
Yeah, let me just quickly. Yeah.
Yeah, you can scroll up.
Is there any plan to do stable USD pegged reserve for a certain % of CLORE reserve? So just free floating CLORE. I believe we have some similar question in Russian, do we?
What were it is?
Or maybe I just don't understand the question.
I don't really get, by the way, the question. Like
stable reserve for a certain % of CLORE reserve. Yeah. So, do you ask if we plan to, to have to become an exchange for CLORE for PUSD or? Yeah. I'm sorry. Maybe my English is not that good.
I don't really get this question actually.
I thought we have similar question in Russian, but yeah. It's easier for me to understand Russian than English, so I might be.
Question was different, by the way. Yeah, I understand what you're talking
about. Okay, yeah. I'm sorry. I just thought it the same. Yeah. Should we then move to Russian part?
Okay, yeah, guys. So if you understand only English, so yeah, thank you very much for joining. Then we're going to switch to Russian, so we can answer questions actually in Russian. If you understand Russian, so you can stay. I think we can then chop the live stream into 2 parts, so people won't.
Probably, or you can just watch the video in like recordings with some translation or something. Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Probably. Yeah.
Okay.